So now let's get into our project. And what I've got here is some code. I'm going to paste that into my script.py. And this is just a little story that takes a lot of inputs. Now, if you've never played the game Mad Lib, it's a game where you select a bunch of words and you don't know the story that these words will be injected into. So you're just selecting random words, and it becomes quite funny because once you read the story with the words, you copy the words over to the story and you read the story, it can be quite funny because the words often have nothing to do with the story. So that's what Mad Lib is. So for our project, we're creating a Mad Lib, and we're using input, our input method, to store all of our words. And then we're using an F string, a multi-line F string, to then print out our story. We're inserting all of our variables into that story. Then we're printing out the story. So this text, if you would like a baseline, is in the next lecture. You can just copy that if you'd like and modify it as you see fit, or you can create your own story. And so that's the project. It's to create a Mad Lib. We're taking inputs and we're printing them out, and we're creating a Mad Lib. This is something you can show your friends, and it's a fun little project that can be a fun exercise for you. So I'm going to run this. I've saved the file, and I'm going to run this. So I'm just going to enter all my variables. I'll probably fast forward through this part. All right, I've entered in all of my inputs here, and I do apologize if English is not a natural language for you. These are just constructs in English. You can change them how you see fit, but just how grammatically English works with verbs and nouns and etc. I assume you have a very good understanding of English if you're watching this video lecture series. But what's happened is we've entered all those inputs up above, and then our story is printed out for us down here. So what it turns out to be is, once upon a time in a land far away, there was a curly programmer named Joseph. Every day, Joseph would wake up and run with great enthusiasm. One day, while jumping, Joseph stumbled upon a magical building that changed everything. This building was tall and full of cats. Joseph decided to quickly stomp the building and found a secret message that said, "Always keep your dog clean and your code cleaner." So, a fun little exercise, guys. I hope you have fun with that and get familiar with the input method, and can maybe show that off to your family or friends. We will see you in the next lecture.